Hi there, hi guys, this is me, Dennis again, and I'm glad to welcome you in this another daily English speaking practice video. And today I'm gonna tell you about some stuff in my kitchen. I'm gonna tell you about my household appliances or domestic appliances. If you are non-native speaker, just like me, and you don't know what domestic appliances is, domestic appliances it's all the stuff. Usually, these are some electronic devices that we are using for cooking food or maybe storing food, for washing our clothes, like washing machines, electric kettles, and maybe ovens, some electrical stuff that we used for living in our houses with comfort, with some level of comfort. So guys, I'm gonna tell you today about two pieces of domestic stuff in my kitchen. It's very important two pieces, and I'm gonna tell you about my microwave oven, and my refrigerator, or just fridge. So let's start it with my pretty old microwave oven. It has his own pretty long history. Sorry guys, I have no some device for holding my notebook. I have no some fancy camera yet. So I will try to tell you and hold my laptop with my hand at the same time. So this is my very old microwave oven. This is LG IntelliWave microwave oven, and model ID is MS. You can see it. Maybe it's closer. MS 1724W. You can Google it and you can see how old this piece of shit is. Because you know, guys, I I've been hiring this microwave oven like maybe 10 years, almost 10 years by this moment. Uh, I I've got it. I got it. I'm trying to say. Back in the days, maybe, yeah, I got it in 2010, in 2010 year. And so it's been exactly 10 years by this moment. And this oven uh, still working. Not so good, to be honest, not so good. And this is really what happened with me about 6 months ago. You know what I'm trying to say. It's about 6 months ago. Uh, I was heating up my food in this oven, and suddenly, and all of a sudden, and out of the blue, this piece of shit started to sparkle all over the place, and it's this is that was guys, like little lightnings inside my microwave, and this pretty loud noise, like like electricity and lightnings and all over the place. So it really startled me. And I came over and I just unplug this wire from the outlet, and you can see it, guys. It's burn marks. This is markers from the fire right inside my microwave, right inside my microwave, and on this side of it. This is some plating, and right below it, it's marks from fire. That was scary, guys. That was pretty scary. And for a while, I not used this microwave oven, maybe for 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks, and then I carefully plug in, and I turn it on, and it's still working pretty good. And each time I heat up my food with this microwave, I subliminally wait for this startling lightning again. I'm waiting that this thing will burn me, and will cause the fire right in my kitchen. So this is my favorite piece of stuff, 10 years together, and what's more important, guys, I haven't said you, this is a second-hand oven. I got it from previous owner, and this previous owner had been owning this thing maybe for 4 or 5 years. Can you imagine that, guys? This thing, it's like about 15 years old. 15 years old. It's almost half of my life. It's almost half of my own life. So, guys, but this turning mechanism now isn't working. So the food inside my microwave oven just staying and not turning around, and just heating up. But it's really heating up pretty good and quickly. And guys, this is my multi-cooker right on the top of my oven, and you might be familiar with it from my previous video where I cooked some rice with chicken and vegetables. It was an exciting 40-minute long journey. If you haven't seen it already, please watch my previous video. It was pretty funny, and there was an emergency in my previous video. I accidentally cut my finger. I cut my thumb, and it was bloody hell. It was blood all over the place. So I'm just joking, but it was really pretty painful, and some blood did drop out right on the cardboard. So shit happens, guys. Please be careful when you cook meals. So enough about that. I'm gonna show you another really important piece of stuff in my kitchen. This is my fridge. This is the refrigerator of my hostess, my uh, landlady, uh, owner of this apartment, and this is a, refrigerator made in Belarus, and it's called Atlant. Atlant. So Atlant is a guy from Greek myths, from the Greek mythology, and Atlants are the really strong guys that supposedly, according to Greek myths, are holding uh, the whole sky, the whole hemisphere, the whole sky dome. They are holding the whole sky on his very strong shoulders. So uh, after those guys was named uh, industry plant somewhere in Belarus. I believe it in Minsk, in capital of Belarus Republic. So this is Atlant trademark, and now I'm gonna read and translate for you guys some statements that the producer of this bad boy made for us on this sticker. So this is Atlant, and right below their trademark, we can see their motto. Uh, I believe this is a main motto of trademark. They said talented equipment, or maybe I can translate it like talented hardware. And this is a website of producer atlant.by. This is a Belarus website, and so I'm gonna translate for you some statements. This first statement is unique, useful volume, or maybe incredible internal volume. So I can put inside of my fridge so many groceries and so many foods, or maybe so many body parts. For example, I'm just messing around, guys. Don't worry. The second statement is resistance to energy fluctuations, resistance to power fluctuations, or maybe energy drop resistance, something like that. And let's move to the third statement. It's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple claim. This is a electricity economy of electric power, and here we have minimal or very low noise level, noise level, and I don't know, maybe in comparison with the famous tractor Belarus, it's really a very low level of noise, maybe in comparison with tractor. But to be honest, right now it's really pretty silent. It's really pretty silent thing. And okay, let's move. Let's move. So this statement is very easy operation. It's easy control, and of course, this thing have only two doors, one door for fridge and one door for freezer, and so I can easily control it whenever I want to do, and I can't argue with this statement. It's this bad boy is really easy for control. And the final statement in this column is safe 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 fridge refrigerant. I don't know. I don't remember the correct word for this. I'll try to explain you guys with other words. It's about the special chemical substance that put inside special pipes inside the fridge, and this special chemical substance, usually liquid substance, uh, provides the cool or cold temperature inside the fridge. This is a special liquid. So the producer is claiming that this chemical substance is absolutely 100% safe for our health. Well, I hope so. And this is the really final statement about 3 years of full warranty. 3 years of full warranty, but you guys, I think that 3 years after purchase already passed, and now this fridge has no warranty because the date of warranty is expired by this moment. So what I have inside my fridge, I think I'll show you in my next videos, guys. This is my pretty quick observation of two pieces of my domestic appliances. Oh, I really like this expression, domestic appliances or household appliances. Now, maybe in my next videos, I'll show you my water heater in my bathroom, my water geyser. This is a really incredible stuff, and maybe you've never seen stuff like this before, or maybe you've seen, maybe you have seen, and this will be very boring video for you. But guys, I'm making this video just like me, actually. But if you like my videos, if you like how I'm trying to express myself in English, and if you like videos from our regular Russian life, please subscribe my channel. Click the line, click the like button, and please leave your incredible comments. I'm really happy. I'm really happy to read them. I'm really happy to respond them, and I'm just happy that I can make these videos, and I'm really happy that you can watch them and you can communicate with me. And I'm gonna say you bye bye for now, and I see you in my next videos.